Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Bright's webinar and financial tutorials. Do you want to level up your money game? Bright offers free webinars and tutorials to help you master your finances step by step. Here's how to find them. First, open the Bright app and tap the Learn tab on the bottom menu. Scroll down and find webinars and tutorials. This section includes topics like budgeting, investing, credit building, and more. Tap any webinar to view the schedule or watch past recordings on demand. For upcoming live webinars, you can register directly from the app. Just hit Join Webinars and add it to your calendar. You can also explore bite-sized tutorials, 1 to 5 minute videos covering essential financial tips. Use the search bar to find what matters most to you, like how to build an emergency fund or understanding loan interest. And the best part, it's all free, with content created by real financial experts, not just influencers. Stay smart, stay in control, and hit subscribe for more guides with Bright. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.